Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. I'm here today to tell you all about these wonderful products which I have been using from past few days and I'm really loving it. I believe in eating healthy and staying fit. Somehow the other way we all struggle to maintain the proper diet and stay fit physically and mentally. So instead we can substitute whatever food regime we are already following with the healthier one by just consuming natural food products. Raw Granules is a company which is providing us with all natural products directly from the farmers to our doorstep. These are the few products which I have been using and I would love to share my experience with it. First of all, thank you Raw Granules for sending me these products. So yes, brown rice which I have been using, this is a wonderful product which is in its purest and rawest form, I can say, and nothing added, nothing removed from it. If I'm not wrong, this can be the best option for the sugar patients as well. And honey, I usually drink honey water when I wake up in the morning. We can see there are many brands which are selling honey, saying like pure honey, but yes, all we get is nothing but sugar syrup. So yes, if you want to buy honey and not sugar syrup, you can surely go for this filter coffee, and this is really good for all the filter coffee lovers, and you will be getting this directly from the coffee plantation. They have soap bars as well. They have 2-3 options in this. The one which I am using is coconut herbal soap, which is really good and soft to the skin. I also like the packaging. It's packed in arecanut leaves. They have many different products as well, like natural juices, fruit juices, and natural other juices, and jaggery, which is again pure and natural. They have spices as well. So I must mention about haldi. The fragrance of this is really good. Again, no color is added in this. This is pure and natural. Also, they have pickles, special pickles from Malnadu. It's a must try. You can order these food products directly from their website. The link of the website will be mentioned in the description below or in the bio of this page. Yes, I wish Raw Granules grow really big and reach worldwide. Also, I hope they maintain the same quality products in future as well. Thank you.